this. What stuck out to me in this book was the 10,000 hours thing.
I haven't gotten to that point.
Well, he basically explains how like anything that any successful person has ever gotten only happened and you only heard about it really after 10,000 hours.
Yeah.
Quote unquote. Not necessarily exactly that number, but it means just an unrelenting persistence towards it, you know?
Right.
So if you don't have that for trading, do you think you can become successful in trading? Have you seen anybody in our group be successful without that, that I know you call it a flame, but I'm talking. This is more than that. Your whole body is on fire. What I'm talking about is what you need.
Yeah, I do, because honestly, like, I can fully admit that I don't feel that fire towards trading.
But you still think you can achieve mastery?
I don't know that I'm going for mastery towards trading.
Do you think you need to have mastery to make money?
No.
You think you'd still make money consistently without mastery?
Because I think you would want to be master. Like
the Riley Bogdan Forex Challenge on YouTube. I can see it now.
Okay, so when it comes to trading, like, for those of you who don't know, Austin never pushed me into trading, ever. Like, he was never like, you need to understand Forex, you need to know what this stuff is. Like, I took all of that on myself. And because it genuinely does interest me, like, even before you, I think it's because
you like hard things.
Right. I like hard things, but I also like things.
I gotta stop saying it like that. It sounds so sexual. Someone's gonna sound clip that and make it a meme. I like hard things.
I like hard things. I like hard things.
But like, okay, so back to the people, the consciousness side, I feel like the trading is like the tangible side of things for me. It's like the tangible thing.
Where you could become a master in a physical skill.
Right. But I don't know
But you don't even need the mastery.
Yeah, like...
But you want to go towards it, and that's the idea. You want to attempt the mastery, because in that attempt, you would become successful.
So, yes. So, as I
And you're comparing... you're comparing this to like a physical skill, like working out. Like, you would never see yourself as a master of working out, I don't think.
No,
you would see
but
yourself
I do it.
Right, but you would see yourself closer to mastery in trading, because it seems like you have more of a drive for trading than working out. So people don't know you. I know you, but I think that's definitely accurate. So I think the trading would be a good middle comparison. Like, me on trading would be the far extreme, and then you on working out would be here. So I agree with you. I think you could still be here, not at mastery like OCD crazy Austin over the top, and still be successful. I definitely agree with you.
Yeah, like I feel like this conversation's like all over the place.
No, I don't think it is.
We have so many different like little points.
It's all revolving mastery.
Right. But when it comes to trading, like I said, it's more of like the tangible thing for me of...
The physical skill.
Yeah. So like back to my day yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't really have a busy day. I didn't have any one-on-ones with any traders. And you and I worked together. It's COVID, not a lot of social interaction. So I feel like I kind of was waking up and it's like, oh, no humans I can observe today. Like, no humans I can like...
You hear that, everybody? I'm not interesting enough for her.
Like, okay, I'm with you 24/7.
I know.
No humans I can like pick their mind or anything like that. So It's like on those days, it's almost like I need to feel something else that I'm doing tangible, where it's if I can't be studying humans and consciousness and working through
and
like
you think
their
trading
own mindset.
could be that?
Yeah, because trading fits a side of me, like the nerdy side of me.
Hey, man, what are you saying, man?
That loves...
Yo, if you're listening, tell Riley, say, we're not nerds. All the traders comment, we're not nerds.
The nerdy side of me.
Well, we're not nerds.
The nerdy side of Riley.
All right, we could all be nerds together.
That loves math, that loves puzzles, that loves patterns, that loves risk reward, because that's also one of my top strengths is being able to see risk reward. So I just think it fits a different side of me. And I'm not somebody that likes to wear hats and labels for things. Like, I call myself the mindset coach of ASFX.
Because you want to be flexible. You don't want to be boxed in.
Right. Like,
I'm Riley. And I'm Austin.
And if I feel like trading today, I'm going to trade. If I don't feel like trading today, I'm not going to trade. I'm just going to be Riley. And I'm going to do what I want to do when I want to do it.
Right.
So I don't think I'll ever call myself a master of Forex trading, because I don't want to get... Like, if I didn't have you and didn't know you, and I still was trading Forex, I wouldn't start a business around it.
Right. You would just trade to make money, and that would be it.
Right.
You would be considering mastery, like teaching people and educating people.
Yeah, which is what I do with the mindset
Got
stuff.
it.
It's
So
like,
now,
wait, let's
be very clear, so it's tangible for the people. You're defining mastery as being able to go back and teach it to people, whereas you could still learn something, be good at it, be great at it, make money in this case in trading, and not have to teach it to people, not be a master, a wizard, a guru, but still make money for yourself. I totally agree.
Because when he says, at least, I'm sure he has multiple definitions of mastery, but he says one thing is like, you become one with it.
Right.
I don't know that I'll ever become one with Forex trading, but...
You could become one with helping people
When it comes to the
mindset
of a Forex trader, I'm there.
Right.
I am one, like when...
Well, that's where people find value.
If anybody's had one-on-ones with me, like they know, like I am one with their emotions in those calls.
Definitely.
Like I know how to navigate the mind.
I totally agree. In regards to the idea of mastery, of the 10,000 hours, which I'm sure you've heard of that before, where you have to like go after
That's not his term. Who wrote about that?
I heard about it first here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in the book.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because I've definitely heard of that. Maybe it's from you and from that book.
Yeah, well, that's where I heard of it.
Okay.
So that's always my biggest takeaway from it. My thought is where a lot of people get hung up when they think about, okay, 10,000 hours, there's like so much time that goes into this. It's going to take me forever. Is it even worth it? My justification now, because of you actually, and something you said to me, is whenever, because like I have new skills that I'm going after all the time. Video editing, mastering YouTube, other social media things that I'm trying to do.
You wear a lot of hats.
Yeah, man. So when I'm trying to master everything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Something that I think about all the time that you said to me is, and it keeps me going. It keeps me.
Can I guess? If not you, then who else?
Mm-hmm. If not me, who else? Yeah, it's a good quote. So anybody listening, when you think about like, oh man, I know I want to get into Forex trading, but I don't know if I'll ever be able to do it to the level that some of these people are doing it, because they've been doing it for Austin's been doing it for 5 years. Lindsay's been doing it for 3 years. These people have been doing it forever. I would just say, well, look at your family, look at your financial situation, look at the people around you and what they're doing and what jobs are available to you right now in the current digital age that we're moving through. I'm going to keep saying that, digital age, right? Ask yourself, if not you, if you don't take the step today to go learn about trading or learn about whatever it is that you should be learning about to push yourself forward, who else?